Hello, it's How To Not To, and today I will be showing you how to put up wallpaper for beginners. Before you start, it is important to prepare your walls by removing any old wallpaper, filling in any holes, and here is a video I did earlier where I showed you how to prepare the walls before you hang wallpaper up. So if you want to see that video, just click on the link at the end of this video and yeah, let's move on. So finally, you need to hang lining paper to your walls, as this will help cover up any imperfections in your walls and provides a smooth surface for the wallpaper to hang on. As you can see, I have already hung my lining paper, so I'm now ready to hang the wallpaper on top of it, which I've already bought. And this is the wallpaper I have chosen, which is a embossed white textured patterned wallpaper, which you can paint over as well. So if I find it too white, then I can always paint over it. To work out how much wallpaper you will need, just measure the height and the distance around the walls, minus any windows and doors. There is an online wallpaper calculator that will help you with this. Here it is. So you just put in your measurements in there and it should tell you how many rolls. So it's telling me here I need 5 rolls. I think I bought a bit extra than that just in case there's any wastage or anything like that. If your wallpaper has repeated pattern, you may need to allow for more wastage, so please bear with that in mind when you buy your wallpaper. I've been advised to always hang wallpaper starting from the window out, so that's what I'm going to do. So just place it on the wall, smooth it out a bit with your hands and just mark where you need to cut it with a pencil. And using a spirit lever, just draw a line where you need to cut the wallpaper like this, and then just cut it with a pair of scissors. And the best scissors to use is something like this, a long pair of scissors. Makes it easier to cut. Okay, you now need to use adhesive, and here I have all-purpose adhesive, which is extra strong. There is ready-made adhesive that you can buy. I believe it's just a little bit more expensive. So if you don't want to prepare the adhesive for yourself, there is ready-made adhesive that you can buy. Okay, on the reverse of this, there is a mixing table showing you how much water you may need depending on how many rolls you intend to use. So just mix with water until you get a smooth paste, and using a paste brush apply to the wallpaper, ensuring you cover the edges. Once you've pasted your wallpaper, leave it for a few minutes to absorb, and then you can hang it on the wall. So take your wallpaper, what I've done, I've folded it in half to make it easier for me to handle. So I'm just going to try and position it in place. It is a bit tricky at first. The first wallpaper that you hang is going to be harder, but after that it should be easier. So I'm going to try and position the wallpaper as near to the window as I can. And if there's a bit here, this the window ledge or whatever you want to call it, plastic thing that's sticking out, I'm going to take my scissors and cut along there to help the wallpaper fix in place. Yeah, so when you come across any corners, just take your scissors and cut around it, and then smooth the paper using your smoothing brush to remove any bubbles. So that's it. So that's the first paper up. I'm now going to do the same, place paper on the wall first, and then measure up by marking where you want to cut it with a pencil. Allow up to 10 inches from the top and the bottom of the paper to allow for any mistakes, etc. And leave a 1mm gap between each stripe so you don't get any ridges. cut away any wallpaper that's hanging over. I'm hanging over the edge. Okay, that's the second roll up. We're doing well, aren't we? So, so far so good. So I'm going to take my steamroller to ensure the edges are firmly stuck down. So we've now come to the bit where the wall's sticking out. It's nothing to worry about. All you need to do is deal with this in the same way as I showed you earlier. Just brush any overlapping ends into the corner. Mark where you need to cut it, and then using the scissors cut along there, and brush it back into the corner. Again, mark where you want to cut it. I think I've just said that. Remove any excess paper. And smooth it out using your brush or a damp cloth, and that's it really. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. Please join me for part 3, where I will see where you will see the completed look. I will also show you how to hang wallpaper around light switches and around a radiator as well. So don't forget to click on the notification button to be notified on that, which I will have out next week. Okay, that's it for this video. Please like, leave a comment as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.